In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an unsubscribe link in Activecampaign easily. Adding an unsubscribe link to your emails is essential for compliance with regulations and for maintaining good relationships with your subscribers. Let me guide you through the process step by step so you can complete it in just a few minutes. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Activecampaign website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Activecampaign. Once the page is loaded, you'll see the main homepage with options available for various marketing services that they provide. Make sure you're on the main Activecampaign site to proceed with the next steps. Once you're on the Activecampaign homepage, look towards the top of the page and you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on that. You will be redirected to the login page where you'll need to enter your account name. Ensure that you input your details correctly to avoid any login issues. After typing your account name, simply click on the login button to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, upon reaching your account dashboard, look for the campaign section. It's usually located on the left side of your screen as a menu item. Go ahead and click on campaigns to access all your active and draft email campaigns. This is where you'll be able to choose the specific campaign you want to modify. Next, from the list of campaigns presented, select the campaign that requires the addition of an unsubscribe link. Once you've identified the campaign, you'll notice there's a Continue button. Click that to proceed. This action will lead you to the detailed view of your selected campaign where you can make the necessary edits. Within your campaign overview, you should find an Edit Design option. Click on Edit Design and it will open up the design editor. Once in the editor, scroll through your email template until you reach the footer section. This is the typical spot where unsubscribe links are usually placed. Now you may find a placeholder or a default unsubscribe text. Click on this link to modify it, or if it's not present you can create one by adding a piece of text such as unsubscribe and then linking it to the unsubscribe URL. Once you've clicked or highlighted the text, simply paste your unsubscribe link in the designated URL field. This link should redirect subscribers to a page where they can remove themselves from your mailing list, fully respecting their choice to opt out. Check everything one more time to ensure the link is working correctly. Once satisfied, save your changes and exit the design editor. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure your emails are compliant and user-friendly by providing an unsubscribe link. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.